Dr. Om Manchanda. He is the CEO of Dr. Lal PathLabs, now joining in on the show. Dr. Manchanda, can you highlight some of the details in the quarter gone by? The volume growth at 25%, I think that continues to remain the focus.
The key highlights for the quarter are that our revenue has grown by 17.3%. This growth is primarily supported by patient growth, which is about 18.1%. We also saw a healthy growth in number of tests per patient, which went up 2.34, which went up to 2.34 from 2.21. So these are the key highlights as far as the top line is concerned. We also maintain our margin as a percentage of turnover. Our normalized operating EBITDA is about 27.1%, and PAT grew at about 11.7%.
What about your volumes? What are you expecting here? Can we see that this continued focus will help your volumes grow even further?
Yeah, this is what we have been maintaining since last few quarters, that our focus will be to drive revenue growth through volumes, and we have been taking aggressive sort of a stance where we have launched certain bundled tests, which is a great value for money for our patients, and that has helped us to sustain volume growth, and we delivered about 18.1% in this quarter, which is a fairly healthy growth as far as growth is concerned over the last few quarters.
And can you tell us more about the competitive intensity in the industry? Are you worried about this?
Yeah, it's fairly stable now compared to what it used to be earlier. I think now it's a bit settling down. We are not seeing that kind of aggressive posturing by some of the competitors who are going for deep discounting. Now I think it's fairly stable for the last few months.
And you spoke about the industry strategy paying off the dividend?
Drive volume is basically to deepen our presence in core markets, which are Northern India, Central India, and East India. So we continue to focus in expanding our infrastructure in these places and making sure that our brand is accessible and affordable, and we continue to address the larger market, and that is delivering results as far as the volumes are concerned.
So do you think it's safe to assume the pricing decline as the company expands into the low-income markets in Eastern India?
Realization in general will stay stable. I don't expect realization to move up sharply, mainly because the focus is on volume, focus is on affordability, accessibility. I think the realization will stay stable. That's the way my outlook is.
Let you go on that note. Thank you so much for taking time out and joining in with a heads up on the quarter gone by.